Hi there. I am so excited to be here with you today. Today we're going to read a story called It Could Still Be a Flower. But before we read the story, we're going to take a look at some vocabulary words that we might come across. Let's look at this picture. Do you know what this picture is? This is a picture of a part of a plant. This part right here is called a stem. Let me hear you say stem. Say stem. Yes, this is a stem. A stem helps a flower stand up big and tall. It helps the flower stand up nice and tall. Oh, look at this. I know you've seen this before. It looks like a small bush, right? This is called a shrub. Say shrub. This is a shrub. A shrub is a short bush. It tends to have lots of branches. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, look at this plant. See, right here is the top of the plant, and down here is the part that goes in the dirt. This is the part that you'll find in the soil. And these are the little roots that's coming out of it. But the word that I want you to learn today is a bulb. Say bulb. Yes, right here is a bulb. If you even look at it, it kind of looks like a light bulb, doesn't it? So that's one way of remembering it. Because it looks like a light bulb, you can remember the word bulb. But this part right here is a bulb. It's like a big, huge seed that's connected to the plant. When it's time to regrow this plant, you take the bulb of the plant and you put it back into the soil. Let's take a look at another picture. Oh, look at this flower. Look at this one. See, they're not fully open yet. It's like a little baby that's all cuddled up in his blanket, doesn't it? See, when the flower petals or the leaves are closed and they're not open, it's called a bud. A bud is like, it's basically when the plant is trying to grow up. It's still small. So it's like the baby part of the plant. It's still in its baby stages. See how the leaves are closed? And the flowers, the petals, the leaves, they're not quite open yet. When the plant looks like this is called buds. These are the buds of the plant. They're starting to grow, but they're not big yet. Oh, wow, look at this. Guess who's all grown up? The flower have bloomed. See how all the leaves are spread out and open? All the petals are open wide. The flower have bloomed. So to bloom is to open, to grow. It bloomed. See bloom? Yes, so let's take a look at all of the vocabulary word that we're going to see in the story. It could still be a flower. Like right here. This flower have bloomed. What does it mean to bloom? To bloom means to open and grow. Now over here, I see the flower buds. I see the flower buds. So what are buds? Can you tell me what buds are? It's when the plant is starting to grow. But the flowers and the leaves are still closed. They have not yet opened. They have not yet bloomed. These are the buds. How about bulb? Do you remember what a bulb is? Is this part way up here a bulb? Is it a bulb? How about this little hairy part on the bottom? Is that a bulb? No, those are the roots, right? How about this part right here that looks like a seed, but it is so much bigger than a seed? Yes, this is the bulb. That's the bulbs. These are the bulbs of the plant. Remember this bush-like thing that we spoke about earlier? With all the branches inside. And this thing is shorter than all the other trees. The trees are tall, but this is short. It's not as tall and high like a tree. Do you know what this is called? A different name for a bush? Yes, it is a shrub. Shrub. And this is a stem. This is a stem. It's what keep the plant standing up nice and tall. On the bottom will be the roots, and they'll be planted into the soil. And all the way to the top, you can't see it. That's where the flower, the petals and everything will be. But right here is the part that helped the flower stand up nice and tall. This is the stem. So remember, I want you to remember the words: stem, shrub, bulb, buzz, and bloom. Have a great day and enjoy reading your story. It could still be a flower.